Withdrawing funds from Bank of America is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Gather required information. Before you start, make sure you have your Bank of America account number, identification like a driver's license or passport, and any necessary withdrawal forms if applicable. Step 2. Choose your withdrawal method. Decide how you want to withdraw your funds. You can use an ATM, visit a bank branch, or transfer funds online to another account. Step 3. Using an ATM. If you choose to withdraw from an ATM, insert your debit card, enter your PIN, select the withdrawal option, choose the amount, and complete the transaction. Make sure to take your card and receipt. Step 4. Visiting a bank branch. If you prefer to withdraw in person, go to your nearest Bank of America branch. Present your identification and account information to a teller, request the amount you wish to withdraw, and complete any required forms. Step 5. Online transfer. For an online withdrawal, log into your Bank of America account. Navigate to the transfer section, select the amount you wish to withdraw, and choose the account to transfer to. Confirm the transaction. Make sure to keep track of your transactions and account balance after withdrawing funds.